start with some tops. Blouse, blouse. Button down shirt, button down shirt. Cardigan, cardigan. Crop top, crop top. Hoodie, hoodie. Polo shirt, polo shirt. Sweater, sweater. Sweatshirt, sweatshirt. Tank top, tank top. T-shirt, t-shirt. Now let's move on to bottoms. Capris, capris. Chinos, chinos. Culottes, culottes. Dress pants, dress pants. Jeans, jeans. Joggers, joggers. Leggings, leggings. Shorts, shorts. Skirts, skirts. Sweatpants, sweatpants. Next up is outerwear. Blazer, blazer. Bomber jacket, bomber jacket. Coat, coat. Denim jacket, denim jacket. Jacket, jacket. Parka, parka. Poncho, poncho. Raincoat, raincoat. Trench coat, trench coat. Windbreaker, windbreaker. Now let's learn some type of dresses. Cocktail dress, cocktail dress. Maxi dress, maxi dress. Midi dress, midi dress. Mini dress, mini dress. Sheath dress, sheath dress. Shift dress, shift dress. Church dress, church dress. Slip dress, slip dress. Sundress, sundress. Wrap dress, wrap dress. Now let's move on to footwear. Ankle boots, ankle boots. Boots, boots. Espadrilles, espadrilles. Flats, flats. Flip-flops, flip-flops. Heels, heels. Loafers, loafers. Sandals, sandals. Sneakers, sneakers. Wedges, wedges. Now let's learn some accessories. Belt, belt, bracelet, bracelet, earrings, earrings, gloves, gloves, hat, hat, necklace, necklace, ring, ring, scarf, scarf, sunglasses, sunglasses, watch, watch. Let's move to some undergarments. Boxer shorts, boxer shorts, bra, bra, briefs, briefs, camisole, camisole, long johns, long johns, panties, panties, shapewear, shapewear, slip, slip, sports bra, sports bra, underwear, underwear. Next up is sleepwear. Nightgown, nightgown, onesie, onesie, pajamas, pajamas, robe, robe, sleep cap, sleep cap, sleep mask, sleep mask, sleep pants, sleep pants, sleep shirt, sleep shirt, slippers, slippers. Now let's learn some activewear. Baseball cap, baseball cap, biker shorts, biker shorts, gym bag, gym bag, running shoes, running shoes, sports jacket, sports jacket, sports leggings, sports leggings, sports shorts, sports shorts, sweatbands, sweatbands, workout top, workout top, yoga pants, yoga pants. Let's end with some clothing for special occasions. Ball gown, ball gown, bridesmaid dress, bridesmaid dress, cocktail dress, cocktail dress, costume, costume, evening gown, evening gown, formal shirt, formal shirt, prom dress, prom dress, suit, suit, tuxedo, tuxedo, wedding dress, wedding dress. That's it for today, word workers. Now that you have learned about different types of clothing, remember to practice using these words. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time on Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word.